So welcome students to my channel once again. In this video I have brought this question for you all. So here we have to prove this identity. Okay, a plus b plus c whole into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca, okay, is equal to a plus b plus c whole cube minus 3 into a plus b plus c into ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, a plus b plus c whole into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca whole is equal to a plus b plus c whole cube minus 3 into a plus b plus c whole into ab plus bc plus ca whole. Okay, clear? I hope no confusion with the question. Okay, clearly you can see. Now see the solution. Okay, now we will do the solution. Okay, so this is the left hand side, LHS. So LHS is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay, okay. This will be, we have to first multiply this whole expression by a. Okay, it will be a into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay, at first we will multiply this whole expression by a, clear, then by b plus b into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay, then again we have to multiply this whole by c. So plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay, clear? So now this will be a into a square is a cube plus a into b square is ab square plus a into c square is ac square. Okay, plus a into minus ab is minus a square b. Okay, minus a square b. अच्छा, a into minus bc is minus abc, minus abc. Then a into minus ca is minus ca square. Okay, okay. Then here, over here, b into a square is plus b square. अच्छा, b into b square is plus b cube. अच्छा, b into c square is plus bc square. Okay, अच्छा, b into minus ab is minus ab square. अच्छा, b into minus bc is minus b square c. अच्छा, b into minus ca is minus abc. Then c into a square is plus ca square. c into b square is cb square plus c into c square is c cube. then C into minus AB is minus ABC. C into minus BC, C into minus BC is minus BC square. C into minus CA, that is minus C square A. Okay, so now see, अच्छा AB square plus AB square, okay, plus AB square plus AB square minus AB square. Okay, they will cancel each other. Minus AB square plus AB square will cancel each other. अच्छा plus AC square minus C square A, same thing, C square A. So minus C square A and AC square will cancel each other. Now A square B, okay, A square B, BA square minus A square B plus BA square, same thing. Now minus CA square plus CA square, minus CA square plus CA square cancel each other. अच्छा BC square plus BC square minus BC square cancel each other. अच्छा minus B square C plus CB square minus B square C plus CB square, they will cancel each other. So what will remain? A cube, अच्छा see, here we have one ABC, here we have again one ABC, 2 ABC minus 2 ABC, then plus C cube, अच्छा A cube, अच्छा then again we have B cube also, minus ABC plus B cube, so A cube plus B cube plus again we have C cube minus, अच्छा we have 1 ABC, 2 ABC, 3 ABC, so this will be minus 3 ABC. Okay, so LHS is coming out, LHS ultimately LHS is this one, A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3 ABC. Okay, now RHS, what is RHS? A plus B plus C whole cube, A plus B plus C whole cube minus 3 into A plus B plus C into AB plus BC plus CA. Okay, अच्छा straight away we will apply the formula of A plus B whole cube. Here we'll at first we have to write like this. Okay, A plus B plus C whole cube. Okay, clear? Minus 3, then A plus B plus C into AB plus BC plus CA. Clear? So now we have to apply the A plus B whole cube formula. Okay, A plus B whole cube formula, A cube plus C cube plus 3 into A plus B into C. Okay, then within bracket A plus B plus C. Okay, take this whole as a and this one as b. A plus b whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Okay. So a plus b whole cube plus c cube plus 3 into a plus b into c, then into a plus b plus c. Okay. Then minus 3. Okay. At first we multiply this whole by a, then by b, then by c. Okay. Minus 3, at first we will multiply this whole expression by a into ab plus bc plus ca. Okay. Then by b plus b into ab plus bc plus ca. Then by c plus c into ab plus bc plus ca. Okay. Clear? Okay, now this will be here it will be a cube plus b cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Okay. Then plus c cube, then we'll have 3 into a plus b, and I will multiply c with this. It will be ca plus cb plus c square, ca plus cb plus c square. Okay. Okay. Then we have minus 3 into a square b abc plus abc plus ca square. Okay, plus ca square. Then ab square plus b square c plus again abc, bca or abc same thing. Plus abc. Okay, and then okay, plus bca means abc. Then again cab means abc, then bc square plus bc square plus c square a, okay. Okay, so now is equal to, it will be a cube plus b cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, plus c cube. Okay, plus c cube plus 3. Now we will multiply this whole expression by A first, then by whole expression by B first. So it will be at first by A into CA plus CB plus C square plus B into CA plus CB plus C square. Okay, then minus 3. Okay, okay. Minus 3 into A square B, A square B plus ABC. ABC we have, this one is ABC, first ABC, second ABC, third ABC. That means 3 ABC, 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 ABC. That means 3 ABC. Okay, plus CA square. There is no other CA square, you can check. CA square plus AB square, okay, plus B square C, B square C plus BC square plus C square A. Okay, okay. Acha, here we have given one third bracket. Okay, so here this A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus C cube, then 3 into this one, so we have to close this third bracket. Okay, then minus. Okay, so okay, so here it was second bracket, but we have in this step we have started this by third bracket. Okay, for this, because to do this multiplication I have to take A separately to multiply, then apply B separately. With this I have to multiply separately A, that's why I have taken this third bracket. Okay, so now A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus C cube. Okay, plus 3 into CA square, CA square plus ABC, ABC plus AC square. Okay, plus again ABC, ABC plus CB square, CB square plus C square B. Okay, bracket close, then minus 3A square B, 3A square B minus 9ABC. Okay, minus 9ABC minus 3CA square minus 3CA square minus 3AB square. Okay, minus 3B square C minus 3BC square minus 3C square A. Okay, so this will be this will be a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus c cube plus 3 into plus 3 into ca square. Acha, we have abc, then again we have abc. Okay, here also I forgot to close this second bracket. Okay, acha, so see, ca square plus 2abc, so plus 2abc. One abc is this one, another abc is this one. Okay, plus 2abc, then ac square plus ac square plus cb square plus c square b. Okay, clear? Minus 3a square b, 3a square b minus 9abc minus 3ca square minus 3ab square minus 3b square c minus 3bc square c square a. Okay, so it will be ultimately a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus c cube plus 3ca square plus 6abc. 3 into 2abc is 6abc plus 3ac square plus 3cb square plus 3c square b minus 3a square b minus 9abc minus 3ca square minus 3ab square minus 3b square c minus 3bc square minus 3c square a. Okay, so now you see plus 3a square b minus 3a square b will cancel each other. 3a square b minus 3a square b, then plus 3ab square plus 3ab square minus 3ab square minus 3ab square plus 3ab square will cancel each other. Acha, 3ca square, okay, plus 3ca square minus 3ca square cancel each other. 3ac square 3c square a minus 3c square a plus 3ac square. 3cb square minus 3b square c, cb square and b square c plus minus, so they will cancel each other. 3c square b 3bc square, 3c square b minus 3bc square, they will cancel each other. So what will remain? A cube plus b cube, then c cube plus 6abc minus 9abc, that means minus 3abc. Okay, see, LHS also was this, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. RHS is also a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Proved. Clear? Thank you.